Field service software under $50 a month usually looks cheap on paper, but most tools in this range limit users, restrict job workflows, or charge extra for basic features like scheduling and invoicing. By the end of this, you'll know which types of field service tools actually fit under $50 a month, what you usually get at that price, and where companies get surprised by hidden costs. Start with what under $50 a month really means. At this price point, you're almost always looking at entry-level plans built for solo operators or very small teams. That means basic scheduling, basic job tracking, and simple invoicing are usually included, but advanced dispatching, automation, and reporting are often locked behind higher tiers. Now look at the first common option type. Simple job management apps like basic field service platforms often include scheduling, customer lists, and basic job tracking in their lowest paid tier. These tools are designed for technicians who mostly work alone or with one assistant. The trade-off is limited automation and fewer integrations. Next is lightweight Keyarn-style tools. Some platforms focus more on customer tracking and estimates than full operational control. They help you manage leads, create quotes, and send invoices, but they are not built for heavy dispatch operations or multi-crew coordination. Now look at mobile-first apps. Some field service tools prioritize technician use on phones over office dashboards. These are usually cheaper, but they simplify workflows to keep costs low. That means fewer customization options and more manual steps. Next is where people get surprised. Even if a plan is under $50 a month, costs can increase when you add more users, connect accounting tools, or unlock advanced scheduling features. Pricing often scales with team size rather than staying fixed. Now look at what you actually get at this price level. Most entry plans include job scheduling, basic invoicing, customer management, and mobile access for technicians. What you usually don't get is advanced dispatch optimization, automation rules, or detailed reporting dashboards. Now the key reality. The best field service software, under $50 a month, is not about finding a perfect all-in-one system. It's about choosing a tool that matches your team's size and accepting that you're trading advanced automation for lower monthly cost. To sum it up, under $50 a month usually means basic scheduling, basic invoicing, and limited automation, but it works well for solo operators and very small teams. Next step is simple. Before choosing a tool, list your must-have features like scheduling, invoicing, and number of users. Then check if the entry plan actually supports your daily workflow without upgrades. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more field service software breakdowns, pricing guides, and simple comparisons that make business tools easier to choose.